Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today is our first day for our second sem and it felt so exhausting. It felt like it is our first day again because we rested for like 3 weeks, I guess, or maybe more than 3 weeks. Now, I just want to refresh my mind with natures and greeny things because I want those sights. They're so amazing, they refresh my mind, and I know that some of you loves nature, right? Since I can't go out, we'll just paint some natures. Yes. Anyways, let's start preparing. I'm actually stuck choosing between Prang watercolor and semi-art, but I ended up using Prang because seeing a lot of colors pressures me, and of course we just want to relax, so here it is. So I'm just sketching up a little to know where to paint, and here I am just painting the base, the first base, yes, the base. I really love painting using watercolor, of course beside gouache, because it is so easy but requires a lot of patience and techniques. So to all people out there with low patience, and of course me, I do have a low patience, I'm warning you guys because it is so frustrating. I just want to apologize with my voice and accent. I mean, I love my voice when I'm talking. I really love my voice, yeah. But hearing them in recordings, I'm so sorry guys, it's so cringy, sorry. One thing that I hate about watercolor is it is so unpredictable. Just like what happened in this part, I just rested for minutes and it faded, so we need to put some layers after layers and layers and layers of paint. I don't even know what I'm doing at this part, but yeah, just putting some random things, white lines, white and black dots. I don't know, I just don't know what to do anymore at this part. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to notify you for new videos, and of course to help this channel grow. Thank you! Since I started my video with my school, so how was your school by the way? I don't know, I'm still not used in online classes even though it is almost 2 years, I guess, since we started that new normal thing that is going on. I really miss school so much, just how the way our teachers scold us, the way we have that unity inside of our room, the way we play, the lunchtime, the uniform, the feeling, the cold quiet hallway in the morning when we go to school early, and the scorching hot afternoon as we all go home, never-ending energy, the laughters, the sadness, the time we all cried, my friends, my crushes, and everything we did in school. I do really believe that you will and we will experience everything in our high school life, and I agree with it because most of my best memories are secured in our classroom. And yeah, I really miss the fun, but because of pandemic, it's not just that supposedly new memories that we've all waiting, and I hate that so much. So back to the painting. I made a mistake here, and I'm actually in a hurry because I forgot that we have a quiz to answer up until 9 o'clock in the evening. But I think it turned out great, even though it is messy at first. Before I forgot, I'm still experimenting whether if I'll voice over or just do a subtitle just like what I've did in the previous video. Please check that out if you're interested after you watch this, or you can click it in the end screen later. Please tell me if I'll stick in voiceover or just plain nah, because I'm experimenting, and my sister said it is nice if I'll do voiceover, but for me, I'm satisfied with the subtitle. So yeah guys, please help me to choose between voiceover or subtitle. Thank you! Next is the river. Enjoy the rest of the painting. Yes, the satisfying part. So, before I end this video, I just want to say a verse in Romans 15 verse 13 that may the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace in believing, so that by the power of the Holy Spirit you may abound in hope. So, see you next week. Bye!